Want to know what a property is really worth? Today, we're diving into how to use Zillow like a pro to find comparable properties, or comps, for accurate property valuation. First, head to Zillow.com. In the search bar, enter the address of the property you want to analyze. This is your subject property. Once you're on the properties page, take note of its key features: the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and any unique characteristics like a renovated kitchen or a pool. Scroll down to find the home value section. Look for a section often labeled something like comparable homes or recently sold nearby. This is your goldmine. Click on it. You'll now see a map populated with similar properties. Now, let's refine our search. Use the filters to narrow down the comps by distance, property type like single-family homes or condos, number of beds and baths, and square footage within a reasonable range. Say 10% to 20% of your subject property. Be mindful of how recently the properties were sold. Aim for comps within the last 6 months, a year at the most. Carefully examine each comp, paying attention to the listing photos and descriptions. Look for similarities and differences compared to your subject property. Consider the condition of the properties, any renovations, and lot size. Finally, make adjustments to the comp values based on any significant differences. For example, if a comp has a garage and your subject property doesn't, subtract the estimated value of a garage. This refined analysis helps you arrive at a more accurate estimated value for your subject property. Happy analyzing!